Restoring DigitalOcean Managed Databases is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, it is essential to understand the concept of backups and snapshots in DigitalOcean Managed Databases. Backups are automated and taken periodically, while snapshots are manual and can be taken at any time. First, log in to the DigitalOcean control panel and navigate to the Databases tab. From there, select the database cluster you want to restore and click on the More menu. Then, click on Restore from Backup or Snapshot. This will take you to a page where you can choose the backup or snapshot you want to restore from. Choose the backup or snapshot you want to restore from and click on the Restore button. You will be prompted to confirm the restoration, as this will overwrite the current database. Once you confirm, the restoration process will begin. During the restoration process, the database will be unavailable. The time it takes to complete the restoration depends on the size of the database and the type of storage used. It is crucial to plan the restoration during a maintenance window to minimize downtime. Best practices for restoring DigitalOcean Managed Databases include testing the restoration process in a non-production environment, verifying the integrity of the restored data, and monitoring the database performance after restoration. It is also essential to have a backup and disaster recovery plan in place to ensure business continuity in case of data loss or corruption. In conclusion, restoring DigitalOcean Managed Databases is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and adhering to best practices, you can ensure a successful restoration and minimize downtime. Regular backups and snapshots are crucial for data protection, and having a disaster recovery plan in place can help prevent data loss and ensure business continuity.